Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send a test email in Mailchimp step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to preview your email the way your audience will see it, so you can catch small mistakes and feel confident before sending the real campaign. Let's jump right in. Start on your main Mailchimp dashboard. On the left-hand side, click on Campaigns, then choose Email. This is where all your email campaigns live, including drafts and scheduled emails. Next, click on the specific email campaign you want to test. If you have multiple drafts with similar names, take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct one. Once you open the campaign, you'll see an overview of your email content and settings. Now look for the option that says Send a Test Email and click on it. A small window will pop up asking where you want to send the test. Enter the email address you'd like to use for testing. Most people send it to their own inbox so they can see exactly how it looks, but you can also add a teammate if you want feedback. Make sure the email address is typed correctly, then click Send Test. Mailchimp will confirm that the test email has been sent. Now go to the inbox you entered and look for the message. Depending on your email provider, it may appear in your primary inbox, Promotions tab, Updates folder, or even Spam. So check those if you don't see it right away. When you open the test email, carefully review the subject line and preview text, images and formatting, spacing and layout, all links to make sure they go to the correct pages. Also keep in mind that some personalization features or dynamic elements may not behave exactly the same way in a test email as they do for actual subscribers. That's normal, depending on your settings. If possible, view the email on both desktop and mobile devices to ensure the design is responsive and easy to read. And that's it. Just click Campaigns, select Email, open your campaign, click Send a Test Email, enter your address, and hit Send Test. It's a simple step, but it makes a huge difference in delivering a polished and professional campaign. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.